Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take better photos on the ULEFONE Armor X12. Okay, so let's launch the camera app. And when we are here to take the better photos, we need to remember about enabling the HDR. It's right in here. Open up the photo mode. You can select the automatic or simply the HDR on the right side. I suggest you should use the option on the right. Also, when you are taking a photo, you shouldn't be using the digital zoom because of that. Because if higher the zoom level, the photo quality will be worse. So sometimes it's better to move up closer physically to the object that you want to take a photo of, instead of using the digital zoom. So simply zoom with your feet, move closer to the object and take a photo on the 1x zoom. The quality will be simply the best. Also, a good thing is using the Pro mode. Open up more and click on the Pro mode. In here we can change things such as white balance, ISO, EV, saturation and the MF. MF stands for the macro focus. To change those things, you can of course set them on automatic, or you can manually change them. In here we have the saturation. You have different levels. So this shows the camera's sensitivity to light. As we go to the right side, the photo gets brighter. When you go to lower values, it gets simply darker. In here we have the EV, which also we can change. Same thing with the ISO. We have 4 values that we can change, and also the white balance. We can change the colors, how they will look like. We have 4 different modes. Simply pick the one that you want to use on your photo. So I'll leave it to you to play with the Pro mode. I'm sure that you will find the proper settings for your wants. Also, when you open up the normal photo mode, we can click on the settings button. It's also good to enable the gridded lines. Okay, just like that. And thanks to that, we can position our camera better before we take a photo. So for example, I have this plant in here with me, and let's say I want to take a picture of it, and I want it to be exactly in the center of the photo. So thanks to the grid lines, in here we have, the middle, and I can perfectly place my camera to take the best photo. So thanks to the grid lines, I can position the objects pretty well and better. It's simply easier when the grid lines are enabled. It's easier simply to position the things and position the camera to take the best picture. And also it's worth enabling the anti-flicker. Thanks to that, when our hands are shaking a little, there shouldn't be that blur effect. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.